What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for this video, I am partnering with SecuX for this holiday season, and you can use my link in the description below to get 20% off any product on their website, and that discount will show in the summary when you check out. This offer does expire on December 31st, 2022, so make sure you order your product before then. Now, if you are unfamiliar with SecuX, they're a company that specializes in blockchain security, so they have a few different product lines, including the XSeed series, cryptocurrency hardware wallets, and their latest product, an NFT hardware wallet. The XSeed series consists of 3 different products that are all designed to add an extra level of security when backing up your crypto wallet. Typically, crypto wallets come with a set of recovery words, so in case you get locked out or lose your wallet, you can recover your assets with these recovery words. These recovery words are usually written on provided paper cards, so they are off the internet or any other electronics, but SecuX has taken it a step further and created metal versions that you can engrave. This way, your recovery words won't be destroyed from things like water or fire, or maybe if your pet gets a hold of them. The next product line is a series of 3 crypto hardware wallets that support over 1,000 different coins and tokens. The benefit of these over a wallet on your phone or computer is that you are protected from hackers and cyber attacks since your private key is stored offline on one of these devices. Finally, SecuX recently released another hardware wallet similar to the ones I just described, but this one is designed to secure your NFTs. Again, the benefit is you are protected from hackers and cyber attacks since your private key is stored offline. For full disclosure, SecuX sent me one of their V20 cryptocurrency hardware wallets in the past, and I did make an unboxing video on that, so feel free to check that out if you would like to see one of these products in a little more depth. A link to that video is in the description. I also highly recommend you visit their website, which contains a ton of information, reviews, awards, and news about their products. Again, use my link in the description below for 20% off all products, but don't wait, the link will expire on December 31st. Alright, so that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or an idea for a future video. Feel free to follow my Instagram and TikTok in the description below. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. Go grab your SecuX gear, and I hope everyone has a happy holiday season.